Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to get SeaBank physical card. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the application on your phone, the SeaBank application. Then you want to go and click on cards in the home menu. And after that, you will have to click on apply now. After you click on apply now, you'll have to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you will have to enter the PIN. After you order the PIN, now your application result was successfully done for the virtual card, not the physical one. In order to order the physical one, simply click on order physical card. And after that, here you can see this page. Simply go and click on get your physical card. Once you go and click on it, click on apply now. And after that, you will have to choose the address and confirm it. And if you want to change the address, simply click on use a different address, then enter the new address that you want to add, just in order to get the card shipped to this address. Then click on next. Once you click on next, you'll have to provide the address, including the ZIP code, street name and number, landmarks, and so on. And after that, hit the next button, then click on confirm. Then add your PIN number. Then you will see here that your application is successfully done. Simply click on done, and they will deliver the physical card as soon as possible. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.